But let's go ahead and hold. We gotta get your jacket off of you. Let's get some arm circles. If you need to jog in place, jog in place. Let's get them a little bigger. I'm all fired up over here though. I'm tempted to bounce, but we're gonna bounce a lot tomorrow, so I need to refrain myself. All right, smaller with the arm circles. And then bigger. All right, and smaller one more time. All right, and we're gonna go right into then squat and reach, and you're gonna alternate backward lunge, squat and reach, alternate, and alternate. Okay, I'm gonna call that 3, we're gonna do 10. Oh, now I can tell we jumped yesterday. I feel my thighs. In a good way. All right, almost there. How about one more? Because you know I lost count of those. All right, and we're gonna walk down onto your hands here, and we're gonna bring one leg out, and you're just gonna alternate, not like a mountain climber, almost. Let's do 10 of these to each side. We'll get a little world's greatest, and we'll get busy. All right, I think that was 10. Bring one foot back, rotate it up. Let's do a couple arm circles. We'll do 3 of those on each side, and then we'll grab our weights. One more each side. All right, and bring it up. Okay, so first one we're gonna try, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the weights, and we're gonna go squat down, press up, and then once you're here, we're gonna bring it here and here. So actually squat like that, I'm sorry, I take that back. Here, down, in, and out, okay? Here. So let's go ahead and start with that one. We're gonna try for 15 total. Try to keep your elbows at the same height as your shoulders. If you can help it when you come down, and bring them in front of your face. We're going to be nice and controlled today. We'll get crazy tomorrow. I promise. All right, you know I lost count, so I'm going to do 2 more. All right, last one here. All right, now, I just bonked myself in the head. Whoopsie, got hair in the eyeball. All right, then, this one's a little bit different. You're gonna hold the weight straight out front. You're gonna pull them like this to step backwards. When you come up, we're keeping it neutral, so palms face each other. Stand and press. So I know that's 2 overhead presses. presses in a row, but they're a little different. Let's try 3 more on each side. And 3. All right, set one of them down. And then we're going to do our controlled chop. So I'm going to start here. Arms stay out nice and straight. Usually we do this really fast, but I want you to pivot only with your feet. You notice my arms are not moving at all, which means there should be a lot of trunk and core stabilization happening there. Of course, I didn't count. We're going to try for 12 to 15 on each side. If your shoulders start to get tired, pull it in a little bit, but try to keep them out straight if you can. I'm going to do 2 more in this direction. All right, quick break for those shoulders, and then we're going to the other side. I'm going to do 3 more this way. Oh, all right, when I planned this, I forgot how much shoulders that was. All right, now we're going to go legs nice and wide, holding on to 1. We're going to go stationary lateral lunge, but you're reaching the weight straight in front of you, trying to keep those arms as straight as you can. This shouldn't be as much shoulder as it should be your lats and the muscles behind your shoulder blades. If the weight gets too heavy and you need to set it down and just do it with your arms. All right, I'm going to go 3 more to each side. Oh, all right. Now, we're going to take it to the floor. Okay, so I'm going to go to plank position here, and we're going to go 15 rows on each side. They're going to follow that up with some kickbacks. Okay, so 15 on each side. You're staying in that plank. It's a little more manageable if your feet are a little farther apart, so you can gauge that. If you need to, if you get tired, put one knee down. That makes it also a lot more manageable. Try to stay in the plank if you can. Now that I've lost count on this side, I'm going to go into that kickback. Once again, set that knee down if you need to. Let's get 3 more. All right, set it down, other side. one leg at a time, or just stay right here. Keep squeezing those glutes. We got 3 more. And 3. All right, come on back up. Suppose I should check what time it is. No, we're good. All right, so hands are here. We're gonna squat down. This time I'm gonna take the front part out of it, just in the interest of time. So you're gonna squat here, press it up. Squat here, press it up. Let's try to get 15. Last one. I'll stay front facing for this next one. Different angle. So I'm pulling back, neutral grip up. Neutral's just your palms are facing each other. Let's try 3 more on each side. All right. Woo. Okay, now we're doing that chop. So remember, it's nice and controlled. Weight out. You're rotating with your feet. A lot of core stabilization. Try to keep the arms straight if you can. I'm going to do 2 more in this direction. Oh, give those shoulders a quick break. All right, other side. I'm going to do 2 more. All right. Once again, legs nice and wide. And we're just going side to side, reaching it straight out. Let's just do 3 more on each side. More for the shoulders than the legs. All right. Yay. Okay, let's get this last set. Sorry, we're not going to get 3 rounds, but 2 rounds of that is probably good enough. as you drop your back knee down, continue reaching. Bring that arm a little farther behind you. Squeeze that back butt cheek. Come right back into your plank. Other side. Drop the back knee. Squeezing that back glute. Reach a little bit farther backwards. Nice.